How we doing, friends? This is Obi at Throdle, and I'm here at SEMA 2023. We're talking an amazing show. The whole convention center is full, and we got some special rides that we want to show you. Right now, we have this sick Audi RS6. Now, I'm a wagon guy. I love station wagons, and I've always been an E63 kind of guy. Mercedes boy all the way. But I tell you what, the Audi RS6 in standard form is an amazing car that's got me thinking twice. Now, what we have here is probably the coolest RS6 I have ever seen. Take a look at this thing. Look at the front ground effects. This is insane. Full carbon fiber. Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous wheels. Are they 22s? I'm not sure, but they're big. You could put a giant pizza on this. We got these beautiful ground effects. I just love this. I feel like I'm driving an F1 car right here. Look at these special fender flares. This car is mean and aggressive. I grew up when Audis were like very boxy, not so cool, and they ran over people. But now Audi is back, and this looks fantastic. Check us out. Leave your comments below, and we'll see you next time.